Going to be using Link Micro Digital Microscope. This thing is awesome. It has a big LCD screen, 1080p. You can zoom in really close. You can record, take a picture. It has adjustable LED lights. All right here. You have focus control right here. Just twist that. Actually, let me try out my brand new digital microscope. Brought to you by Link Micro. Alright, and then twist that. This looks kind of rough looking, right? Oh, tarnished. Oh, look, another cracked solder joint. Man, I could never see that with my naked eye.
What will your next microscopic discovery be? With the versatile InfiniView digital microscope, the possibilities are endless. InfiniView is a customer favorite for examining 3D objects like insects, circuit boards, and forensic evidence. A 5-element infrared reducing glass lens combined with a 5-megapixel imaging sensor provides InfiniView's crisp, detailed images. Get up close to your subjects from 4 times to 160 times magnification, or add the 4-time digital zoom for even more power. You can adjust the LED illuminator to get the perfect view of your specimen. Then, save photos and video to the microSD memory card. InfiniView's large 3.5-inch TFT LCD screen displays microscopic images with sharp contrast and high resolution. Get even more features when you connect the microscope to your Mac or Windows PC via USB 2.0. You'll be able to measure specimens, save images directly to your hard drive, and more. InfiniView also connects to projectors for sharing the view with an entire classroom. This versatile microscope can go anywhere you do. InfiniView runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for up to 3 hours in the field. InfiniView includes a CD/DVD with Portable Capture Pro software and full instruction manual, a lens cleaning cloth, calibration ruler, USB cable, video out cable, and AC adapter.